So we've got Tweedledum and Tweedledee. What are they?
These are Cyclamen, Cyclamen persicum, the common, well, I say common, but they're very, very pretty. But you see them everywhere. Every supermarket, every garden centre, every farm shop, they have masses of cyclamen for sale. And we tend to use them nowadays as the kind of plant that comes into the house, into a cool room. It has to be a cool room because they don't like it too hot. Otherwise they flop and they die. And we have them until they finish flowering. And then what do we do with them?
Chuck them out.
Chuck them out. My granny didn't do that. She was a canny old devil. And so what she used to do is she had them in the house until they'd finished flowering. And then she'd take them outside and put them in her unheated greenhouse. And she'd lay the pot on the side like that and let the complete thing dry out. The leaves would turn yellow and she'd pick them off, and then she'd shake the old compost off the corm. And this one here, which hasn't got many leaves yet, you can see the corm, this lather, it's a bit like a big fat toad.
Looks like a mushroom.
Yeah, mushroom. And you put that on the soil, not in the soil, because the corm needs to be above soil level so that the water doesn't get into the top of the cyclamen, because that can rot the new shoots and the new flowers. And then you just stand it somewhere cool, much like your houseplants on holiday. These are being revived and they will start to flower probably not until mid-November, maybe around about Christmas time even, but we'll have them again and they'll be beautiful. And the great thing about that is these will grow fat and prosperous. And if you keep them long enough, 5 or 6 years, you'll have over 100 flowers each time. How's that?